Okay, hello. We gonna open the gift for Gabriel for his second birthday. This is given by our neighbor again. Oh, he's so excited. What is this gift? It's a slide. Yeah, 16 feet single slide. So this is only for him because this is for the kids, not for mama, no? I think I need the... Where's the thingy in here? Okay, just wait. I'm gonna unbox this one. To unbox this slide for Gabriel, for our boy. I don't know where's the opening on this here. Whatever. Whatever. The thingy hard to open. Right there. Hee. I'm gonna enjoy this one. Say thank you for our neighbor Jimmy and Marissa. Yeah, they give this to you, no? Yeah. Say happy birthday. Say thank you for this birthday gift for... Okay, I opened the box already. Now I'm going to... Okay, this is 16 feet, so it's gonna be... Oh my love, don't touch that paper, okay? Oh, this is long one. I'm gonna help mama here. Don't touch that thing. I'm gonna help mama. Leave that one in there. Gonna help mama. Okay. Pull this one. Gonna help mama. Gonna help. Okay, he's my helper. Okay. Woohoo! he's Look, he's in there already. Oh, we are not ready yet. Okay, what I'm gonna do on this? We're gonna flip this one. Oh, oh, this is it. It's gonna be like that. All right. Oh, this is 16 feet. Oh, yeah, it's long. It's long. I know, it's a slide. Ooh, we're gonna put water in this today. Woohoo! Oh, where you gonna play? He's in the yard. It's in the front yard. The sun is so bright today. So this is really good for him. Yeah. Oh, yeah, nice. Thank you for the couple. Marissa and Jamie, thank you for having this for our Gabriel, for giving this to our Gabriel. He's gonna enjoy this. Alright, I think I need those. What is that, Gabe? This one. Let's see. I'm going to open this one. Okay, I have that two. What is this? Like a nail. We're gonna put this one. Is there something that I can put in there? Follow instruction, mama. Oh, from here. Oh, right. I think this is for... It's like a hook. Right there. Walk. Oh, he said walk the hawk. Walk and walk. Yeah. Okay. It's like a nail, so that the slide will stay in the same place. Look at that. You like to play this water? No, don't you? Say thank you. Can you say thank you to Jamie and Marissa? Oh, say thank you for the slide. Can you say slide? Oh, thank you for the slide. Can you say that? Oh, thank you, Slide. I had to understand him because Mama needs to understand him too. I have to understand his own language. Oh, I think it's not kinda. Give. This one, make it straight, Mama. Make it tight. Oh ho! Ready? We're gonna put the hose in there. Yee! I will get the hose. Okay, let's see. We're gonna remove your shirt and your diaper too. Oh yeah. All right. Ready? Gonna put the hose, huh? Put water and fill the water in this slide. Okay, take it. Okay. Guys, already set up. Come on na, my love. I'm gonna put this one. Oh, leave the hole in there. Oh, I like this one. Look. Ooh, he's just scared because he doesn't know. He doesn't know how to go to the slide, how to slide this mat. This one. Ooh, nice Gabe. Gonna go slide. It's, it's nice if it's like a little bit of like slanting or elevated a little bit. Our ground is flat. Okay, do you enjoy? Come on, go in the. He loves the splash. The splash in the water here. Oh, he loves to play the splash. You wanna go wet? Go inside in here and go wet. Yeah, thank you for this slide, water slide. Oh, airplane. Come on, you want to come with Mama? Come on. Okay, walk in the slide. Come on. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on. I know you enjoy the water. I feel like he's just scared being in the mat. Yeah, but he loves the splashing. No, you're just scared being in the mat? I'm wet. I was not ready to be wet, but he loves to play these mountains like fountains, like a fountain, yeah. Yeah, yeah, it's nice. Yeah. What do you think? Orange. Yeah, that's orange. Oh, it's like a fountain, no? Yeah, it's like a fountain. He loves to play that one. You can get inside and sit in there. Yeah, sit down in there. You wanna sit down in here? Yeah. Oh, come on. Not in there. Just inside this one in the orange mat. This one right here. Oh, you don't want to? Okay. He wants the splashing of water. Come on. Woohoo! Gonna enjoy this one. Woohoo! I know you're gonna love this one. He doesn't want to be here in the mat. He's just scared. I don't know. He just loves being in the fountain. Sit down right here so that you can feel the water. Yeah, it's nice, oh? Oh, he enjoys it. Ah, that's a happy noise, no? You enjoy. Oh. You're counting? Oh, lots of holes in there, oh, that you can really enjoy. Enjoy the summer. Yeah, hey, say I enjoy, I'm happy. Say, can you say happy? Oh, I'm happy. I'm happy with this slide. Yeah. You're just scared being the mat, no? You loves only the splash. Yeah, happy. You can get inside. You want to get inside and get wet? Yeah. Okay, come on. Come with Mama. Oh, sit down in here. Right here in the mat, not in the grass. He just scared. Ooh, ooh, there's a splash of water. Woohoo! Yeah, enjoy the water. Okay, play more. this is very long. Maybe if he's gonna be older, this one recommended age to play is 3 years old, and he's just turning 2. So wait next year how he's gonna do this. Feel like he's scared with the mat. Or not for the sleeper. Sleepers, lots of grass. Okay, you want to play? Come with mama here in the mat. Okay, okay, play in the mat. Yay! Oh, he's scared. He's scared with this mat. Woohoo! Nah, that is not for the sleepers. That is not for the sleepers. Okay, I just let him play. Okay, come on. Hey, come with mama. Woohoo! Like this, huh? Right there. Look at that car. Cookie Monster. Car. Yeah. Are we done? Are we done, Gabe? Yeah, water. Water slide. See, water slide. Like a fountain, no? Oh, see. He just scared being in there. Yeah. He just loves being in the splashing. The splashing water, no? You want to be wet? In the mat? Yeah, water. Don't break it. Don't break your sunglasses. Okay, are we done? You feel like you're cold now. Doesn't want to stop. He doesn't want to stop. He enjoys it, but only outside the mat. He doesn't want to get inside. It's alright. It's gonna be better next year. The next summer you will be 3. Yeah. You are still 2. So you feel scared in this slide, no? Okay, are we done? You want to stop? You wanna stop now? Are we good? You want to go rest and change? What do you think? Are we done? Yeah, get the sunglasses. He asked me to get them for him. Alright, sunglasses. Don't be scared on the water. Mama is here. That one doesn't drown you. No? Not even 1 inch. Yeah. Are we enough? Are we good? You wanna stop now? All done? All done? No, he's not saying all done. Even he's cold. You're cold now, my love. Okay, you wanna be in the mat? Come on. Come with mama. You're scared on the mat. He doesn't want. Inside the mat. In the mat. You want to be in the mat? Mat, yeah. Come on. He doesn't want. Alright. You say thank you, mama. Okay, are we done? You are feeling cold. Okay, play more. Okay, are we good?